video, we are going to see about the normalization procedure of the UGC NET June 2020 from the brochure, whatever the points it given in the information bulletin of the UGC NET June 2020. So here the normalization process means converting the 300 marks to the 100 marks. 300 marks means whatever the paper 1 and paper 2, the combination of both these two papers will leads to the 300 marks. That is 100 marks from the paper 1 and the 200 marks from the paper 2. And whatever the cutoff that is going to be declared after completion of the exam, or else at the time of announcing the result, the cutoff is for the 100 marks. That means here they will normalize your 300 marks to the 100 marks, and then your cutoff will be decided based upon those 100 marks. Okay, and it can also be called as a percentile. So how this normalization procedure will be done as per the National Testing Agency, that procedure here I am going to show you right now. So online personalized job consultancies, by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC NET online live classes from the Unacademy side. I'm going to show you in the next year this one. So here the National Testing Agency procedure to be adopted for compilation of NTA scores for multi-session papers. Normalization procedure based upon the percentile score. That means NTA will be conducting examinations on multiple dates, generally in 2 sessions per day. The candidates will be given different sets of questions per session, and it is quite possible that in spite of all efforts of maintaining equivalence among various question papers, the difficulty level of these question papers administered in the different sessions may not be exactly the same. Some of the candidates may end up attempting a relatively tougher set of questions when compared to the other sets. So the candidates who attempt the comparatively tougher examination are likely to get lower marks as compared to those of who attempt than the easier one. In order to overcome such a situation, normalization procedure based on percentile score will be used for ensuring that candidates are neither benefited nor disadvantaged due to the difficulty level of the examination. So why this normalization procedure is used is that generally the National Testing Agency is conducting the UGC NET exam in different dates. That means from December 2nd to December 6th. So if in different dates, if an examination is conducting, then definitely normalization procedure has to be followed. Why? Because one session candidates may face the difficult paper and the another session where candidate may face the easiest paper. So the difficult paper candidates may get the less score comparing with the candidates who face the easiest paper. So in order to justify both these two candidates, that means the toughest paper candidate may not have the disadvantage, and the easiest set paper may not have the advantage in gaining the marks. So in order to make them balance, this normalization procedure is introduced. So how they are going to calculate this one means, here I'm going to show you one formula. The percentile score of a candidate is calculated as follows. That means 100 into number of candidates appear in the session with a raw score equal to or less than the candidate divided by total number of candidates appeared in that particular session. So we are going to see these details in detail coming to this example. So let's have this example here in detail. Here the NTA is conducting in the different sessions. That means what is the session is that session 1 is day 1 shift 1. That means the December 2nd morning session from 9:30 onwards, and it is the session 2 means day 1 shift 2, that means the afternoon session from 2:30 onwards. So like that, here roughly I am taking one example that provided in the information bulletin itself. So for example, in the session 1, that is day 1 shift 1, the total number of candidates are 31,986, and out of this one appeared are 28,012 and the absent are 3,974. So here we are going to consider the appeared candidates only. We need not to bother about the absentees out of the total number of registered candidates. So here in this formula we have to mainly see that 100 into, here they mentioned as a raw score. So what is this raw score is that previously the National Testing Agency released the final answer key. So based upon the final answer key, you may calculated whatever the marks you scored in paper 1 and paper 2. For example, in the paper 1, if you scored the 70 out of the 100, and in paper 2, if you scored 150 out of the 200, then the overall marks you scored among the paper 1 and paper 2, that is paper 1 plus paper 2, is that out of the 300 marks, 220 marks you scored out of the 300. So this 220 marks is considered as the raw score, right? So it is called as a raw score. So now how to find out the percentile for this raw score 220 is that, so we will take this formula. So coming to this formula, the first one is 100 into number of candidates appeared in the session with the raw score equal to or less than the candidate. That means here I said that 220 if you got, for example, then if the top score is 280, then in between the 280 to 220 few candidates will be there, and in the 220 to least score few candidates will be there. So for example, if from 220 to the least score, the total number of candidates in this session are let's take it's 10,000 people are there. Sorry, let's take 20,000 candidates are there, less than or equal to the 220. That means 20,000 candidates are scored less than or equal to the 220 marks, or this raw score. Now here the number of candidates appeared in the session with raw score equal to or less than this candidate is 20,000. So here I am taking the 20,000 whole divided by the total number of candidates appeared in that session. So here we are calculating the session 1. So how many number of candidates are appeared here? 28,012 number of candidates are appeared. So now the percentile to this one can be calculated from this one. So here it becomes equal to 71.3972722,976. So why we have to take these many number of decimal values is that, so if you once observe here in the information bulletin of the NTA, the percentile scores will be calculated up to 7 decimal points to avoid bunching effect and reduce ties. Okay, so to reduce the ties among the different candidates, we are going to take the 7 decimals. So the 7 decimals means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the score can be taken up to here. So it is 71.3979722. So it is the score or percentile what you got. So if it is a 71.39 percentile, then definitely you will be clear the JRF. Yes, for example, I am taking. So it is how the National Testing Agency is going to follow the normalization procedure based upon the percentile. So this procedure is useful to convert your raw score out of the 300 marks to 100 marks, that is normalization or percentile method. Okay, so that means if these are the figures, now this 220, that means out of the 220 marks, out of the 300, it converted into the 71.3979722 by using the normalization procedure. So generally this normalization procedure is used to make the benefit to the toughest session candidates. So this normalization procedure is used. That means it is trying to balance the candidates' marks who scored the less marks in the toughest session and who scored the highest marks in the easiest session. So to make it balance, this normalization procedure is used. Okay. So hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here, Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWYNIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys.